Hello everyone.
Yeah, go on.
Am I visible?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Bhavna Kocher, and our mentor is Mr. Pavan Kumar. He is not available today due to his commitments. He is a mentor of the presentation. So I continue with the presentation now. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about the motivation of the project and then the implementation details, then the workflow, then working demo, and the future work. So the motivation behind project is, as we all know, social media data is something used in our day-to-day life, and it's growing in our day-to-day by a large amount. So it is very helpful if we use this data in something meaningful. So we are using the social media data, currently Twitter API, to collect the data of Twitter. So and I analyze the data by a large amount. So it is to predict the situation of COVID-19 on the current date. I'm using the tweets of the user, which they tweet in this project. In this project, I use Twitter API to collect the data of previous 7 days country. Why particular country? I'm using a particular country to decrease the amount of data. As we all know, the data is too large on the Twitter, so I'm using particular country to decrease the amount of data, so it loads less on the all. I'm collecting the different features, like now I'm using the tweets without the retweet, the duplicacy and location to predict on a particular location the epidemic outbreak, and languages to, so that I can convert the other languages into a particular language. Decrease the duplicating outbreak, all to predict on a particular languages into English. Then I perform the sentiment analysis on the tweets of a particular location. I collect the tweets of a location. So to analyze the tweets of that particular location only. For the collecting tweets, I'm using keywords like COVID epidemics and the most commonly used COVID hashtags. What is Twitter API? Many of you maybe don't know Twitter API. As part of so I'm using the Twitter API in this case. I'm collecting data from the Twitter. Then I pre-process the data. I handle the null values. As we all know, many doesn't provide the location in their tweets and Twitter accounts. So I'm handling all these features. Then I'm do feature engineering on this part. This is the screenshot of the file. After I extract the data from the Twitter API, it has various features. Many of the features I don't require in this project, so I drop those features and I'm using only those features which are helpful for me. So the workflow of sentiment analysis is I collect the data as I show you previously, then I perform the data pre-processing of the NLP like tokenization, removing stop words, stemming or lemmatization, or many other features I feel relevant according to the requirements. Then I perform the feature extraction on the data. Then I perform the various other features to, as per the requirement I found helpful in the project, and predict the epidemic outbreak on the data on a particular date. Here is the screenshot of the Twitter API method I am using to collect the data. Here is the screenshot of the how I collect the data of a particular country. As you can see, I am using U as a country location. And below screenshot of a translation of a language to another language, as India has a very vast amount of languages that we use in our day-to-day life. So I have to convert many languages to other if I can be able to. So I'm using the translator library of Python to translate a text of a particular language to another language. Here's the screenshot of the stemming I done on the project text.
Is
It's
everyone
the
able to see the
screenshot.
right screen? I think my screen is stuck somewhere. Is everyone able to see the screenshot which he is presenting? Anyone? No. So Bhavna, can you look into it? I think I am able to just see your first slide.
Okay. So is the screen visible now?
I think the screen is visible, but it's on the first slide. So can you try presenting your slide, or maybe you can screen share it once again?
Okay, sir. I try. Wait a second.
Just stop sharing once and then go on sharing again.
Okay, sir. Is it visible now?
I think working demo and future work is just visible on the screen. So you may change the slide. I think I'm just able to see the second slide.
I'm on the second at that point. So if you are visible, then I go continue on it.
Okay, continue.
So I continue from the start or where I'm at
No,
now?
go on from where you left. Do not continue from the start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. So here is the method I'm screenshot of the method I'm using for this toggle removal. And the future work, I'm going to use this Instagram, Facebook, and other social media accounts if I can be able to for using the in this project. And I'm at that moment I'm on the sentiment analysis part, so I'm also hopefully complete the project till the time dedicated. Thank you so much. Is there any question?
So you said that there are some missing values in the data you found. So what kind of
Yes,
missing
sir.
values you found and how you tackled with the missing value problem? Do you remove those points or extrapolated, interpolated? What have you done with that?
So, like in Twitter, some of the account holders may not provide the location of theirs. So, if I extract those rows, then a large amount of data maybe I have to lost. So, I'm using Google Maps library so that I can be locate the location as much as I can, and also the locations are not properly available on the data extracted. Some provide UK, some provide United States, some provide like that matter. And I have to tackle this situation also, and I'm using the different methods to extract the text so that I can found relevant as much as I can.
Okay. So what will be your final deliverable? Will you be giving a code code file, or will you be making a package or a web app, something like that? What will be the final view of your project?
So right now I'm
Yeah, go on.
To the web app like project.
Okay. Thank you, Bhavna, for presenting.